So I'm down by down by our tap off my allotment plot. I'm just showing you these aphids that are on these chilies I've got here. They're the brown spots on the leaves, and I'm going to give them a blast with this water. Hard to control with. You have to sort of choose exactly the right pressure for this, because if you have the spray wrong you can rip into the leaves, and this is just about right. It's pretty clean now looking at it. There's a bit more, no, yeah. And they're gone. So now I've de-aphid this chili. I'm going to repot it. I'm going to leave it in these pots, final pots for the greenhouse. About there. This is Anaheim. If you don't like your chilies too hot, this is a good one to go for. I can't take hot chilies anymore. It's in November, but I'm afraid my body just doesn't want them anymore. The size of this thing. Compost, good, Bennett. So it's a little bit moist, just moist enough to hold the shape when I pull this out. Anaheim. In the water bath. I will put this back in the greenhouse shortly, enough for now. So I'm removing these protective things around the French climbing beans, because the beans are starting to wind their way up these grids, and the only reason for them being there is the birds pulling the plants out. I think that danger's about past now, so here you can see what I mean. That's quite clearly tied to it, itself to it, but it's just in time I can pull it off without any damage. Some of the seeds I put in are coming up now. I put in seeds by some of the single plants. There's one right under here, somewhere under there.